All right, thank you for coming again. So, you're looking to buy a house, but you're not sure if you should use a realtor or not. In this quick video, I will walk you through 5 top benefits of you using a realtor. If you find value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like it, share it to anybody that you think this will help. And don't forget to click the bell so I can let you know anytime I have a new video. So, number one, using a realtor as a buyer is actually free, 100% free to you as the buyer. 9 out of 10 times, the seller is paying the buyer's agent. That is you, your agent. The seller is paying your agent because they are bringing them you as the buyer to buy the house. So, you're actually not paying anything. It's free to you. And if you don't use them, or if you use an agent, you still don't get that money back because it's already been factored into the purchase price. So seller usually pay buyer's agent from the proceed of the sale. So if they are selling the house for $150,000, for example, agent will be getting 3% of that money. Either you use one or not. So you're not actually using an agent, you're at a very big disadvantage because either ways you're not getting the money back. So number two is that agents will always guarantee you, or 9 out of 10 times, they will guarantee you the best price for the house. They will be able to guide you through the process, help you avoid the costly mistake people make in buying a house because they are top negotiators. They know how to negotiate. Hence, they will be able to guarantee you the best price for the house. It doesn't mean the cheapest price, but the best price based on the market condition. They will always guarantee you the best price for the house, which is helping you to avoid paying too much for the house. Number three reason is that they have access to lenders. 9 out of 10 times, people don't buy houses with cash. And if you need some financing to buy a house, you do need a lender. So a good agent will know the Rockstar lenders they should refer you to that will make the house buying easy and stress-free for you as the buyer. So you using them, they have professionals, they have the lenders, they have the inspector, they have the appraisal, they have the surveyor, they have the contractors, property management, among other professionals a Rockstar agent should have. So these are number three reason. So they have access to other professionals, especially the lenders, which you need money to buy the house anyway. So number four, they save you all the paperwork, all the laws, all the regulations involved in buying a house. You don't have to deal with that because agents do this full time. They know all the paperwork they are supposed to, write or file for a transaction. They know how to guide you through it. They know how to explain the contract to you. So that way you're not putting yourself, or risking the chances of losing your earnest money deposit, which is the money you pay as a good faith to show the seller that you really want to buy their house. So these are also very, very important thing because I've seen people losing their earnest money because they don't have a realtor and they don't know what they're actually signing. So this is not a very good thing for you as a buyer. Number five, it helps you avoid potential problem in the future or even at the moment in house buying. The house might not have some certain features. They might advertise that it has it. There is a way an agent will file what we call the non-realty addendum. Non-realty addendum covers something like refrigerator, chandelier, chairs, furnitures, all those kind of things. So if they're advertising all these things online, that the house will be, selling with those things. If you do not have it in writing, you can't claim those items. So agent will help you avoid any, costly mistake you can make. It will help you spot issues before they actually happen, which is a very, very big reason why people use an agent. So overall, it's all to your advantage to use a realtor. But if you're looking for a realtor, make sure you actually get hold of the good one because there is a lot of bad realtors out there as well. So make sure you do your due diligence, interview your realtors, make sure they understand your goal, and make sure you guys actually align together. That is, you're gonna feel very comfortable working with that particular realtor. As a rule of thumbs, you want to look at their recent transaction so that way you know how they are performing. If they are not performing so well, then you probably don't want to use them because maybe they are not good enough or they are just too busy with something else. So if you're looking to buy a house, you can reach out to me at 832-776-9582. 832-776-9582. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.